Hi, so for today's video, pag-uusapan natin kung paano nga ba i-identify kung anong uri ng conic section yung given equation. So meron tayong tinatawag na discriminant. It is one way of telling what type of equation is given. So ang discriminant natin is b squared minus 4ac. Familiar ba sa algebra, no? So pag ang result ng ating discriminant ay negative, maaring siya ay circle or ellipse. Okay, as you can see, b squared minus 4ac is less than 0. So, pag negative yung naging discriminant natin, it's either circle or ellipse. And then, paano mo madidistinguish sa kanilang dalawa kung sino ba talaga siya, circle ba siya or ellipse? Titingnan mo yung A and C nila. Saan yung galing yung A and C? Galing siya sa ating general equation na kung saan, mapapansin nyo, yung may x squared term, siya yung A. A is the numerical coefficient. Yung may y squared term, siya yung C. C is also the numerical coefficient. So, pag A is equal to C, therefore, it is a circle. If A is not equal to C, then it is an ellipse. And then, using the discriminant also, pag siya ay nag-equal kay 0, automatic siya ay parabola. Okay? And then, pag siya ay nag-greater than 0 or positive, that is hyperbola. But mind you, may dalawang uri or category ng conic section. May generate and degenerate case. So, hindi porkit na-test mo siya sa discriminant at nag-negative at A is equal to C, circle na agad. It can be a point circle or no circle at all. So, that's called your degenerate case. Pero ngayon, magpo-focus lang tayo sa generate case. And then, aside from using the discriminant, pwede rin nating i-observe na lang yung ating equation. So, let's try to identify the following equation kung anong uri ng conic section sila. So, let's have we have here equations A, B, C, and D. So, paano ba na natin malalaman kung anong uri ng sila ng conic section? Kung mapapansin mo sa equation A, yung x squared and y squared, that's A and C. They are equal, right? Okay, so tatandaan lang natin, pag positive, pag equal yung x squared, yung numerical coefficient ng x squared and y squared, pag equal sila, that is called circle already. Okay? Pagka-equal yung numerical coefficient ng x squared and y squared, circle po siya. Or in the degenerate case, it can be a point or a point circle or no graph at all. So, paano mo malalaman kung point circle siya or circle or no graph at all? You have to graph the equation talaga. Okay? So, for letter B, kung mapapansin mo, nawawala si x squared. Tandaan, pagka nawala si x squared or y squared, isa lang yung present sa kanila sa equation. Ang tawag sa kanya ay parabola. Okay? Isa lang yung pwedeng present sa equation ng parabola. It's either x squared or y squared. It depends on the opening of the parabola. And then, for letter C, kung mapapansin mo yung x squared and y squared, parehong positive, pero magkaiba yung numerical coefficient. Magkaiba yung A and C. They are not equal. So, therefore, that is an ellipse. Okay? And then, sa letter D, kung mapapansin mo yung x squared and y squared, magkaiba sila ng sign, tapos magkaiba rin yung numerical coefficient. Pag ganyan yung case, we can say that it is a hyperbola. Okay, so notice hindi na tayo gumamit ng discriminant. Tinignan na lang natin yung x squared and y squared term. Pagka pareho sila ng numerical coefficient, circle. Pag isa lang yung present sa kanila, parabola. Pag pareho ng sign, pero magkaiba yung numerical coefficient, ellipse. Pag magkaiba yung sign, hyperbola. Okay? So let's try to apply what we have learned dun sa mga susunod pang equations na ipapakita ko. Let's have equation 1. Let us identify kung anong conic section siya. Look at the x squared and y squared term. Parehong positive, so alam mong hindi siya hyperbola, pero magkaiba yung numerical coefficient. So, what type of conic section it is? Okay, very good. This is an ellipse. Okay? Next. We have x squared plus y squared. Dun pa lang, it should be equal to 0. Magkapareho na ang numerical coefficient. A is equal to C. Therefore, this is an example of a circle. Next, 4x squared and positive 3y squared. Same positive, but different numerical coefficients. So this is an example of ellipse. Next, 4y squared plus 8x minus 12y minus 7. As you can notice, we are missing with x squared term. Isa lang yung present sa kanya. So this is an example of a parabola. Parabola. Okay? Next, equation number 5. Same yung kanyang numerical coefficient which is a and c. So therefore, this is a circle. Next, number 6. As you can notice, there is no present of y squared term, only x squared. So this is an example of a parabola. And then number 7, that's x squared and 4y squared. They are both positive. The x squared and y squared term are both positive, but with different numerical coefficients. So this is an example of an ellipse. And then, lastly, number 8, notice the x squared and y squared term, they both have different sign and different numerical coefficient. Therefore, it is hyperbola. So that's it. That's how we identify what type of conic section we're dealing with given the equation. Thank you so much for listening.